Hi, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining me, and welcome back to Daily Glow Affirmations, your moment to reconnect, reset, and rise. Affirmations are most powerful when we allow ourselves to feel them. Let each one land gently in your heart as if you're watering seeds of love and healing within. Let's begin by taking a few deep breaths together to open your heart and quiet the mind. You can come to a comfortable seated position or lie down. Coming into this present moment. Inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, belly toward the spine. Breathe in and out of your nose. Take deep, cleansing breaths. Inhale, self-love and peace. Exhale, any emotional weight you've been carrying. Inhale, healing energy. Feel it in your heart and flowing through you. Maybe visualizing a beautiful white light flowing with your breath into your body. And exhale, releasing anything that no longer serves you. Inhale, love. Exhale, relax. Gently receive these affirmations. Repeat them softly or silently and allow them to soothe and uplift your spirit. I allow myself to feel and heal. All my emotions are valid and worthy of love. I am safe to express my feelings. I release the past with compassion and grace. My heart is open to love, beginning with myself. I forgive myself and others, and I choose peace. I am gentle with myself in every moment. My inner child is loved, seen, and supported. I radiate love from the inside out. I am enough, exactly as I am. I deserve kindness, care, and deep healing. each breath brings me closer to wholeness. I am a vessel of light, love, and emotional strength. I trust the wisdom of my heart. Allow yourself to feel love and gratitude, knowing each of these affirmations are true for you. Take a deep breath. You are doing beautifully. Healing takes time, and every step you take matters. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Come back to these affirmations whenever your heart needs extra care. Thank you so much for sharing this space with me. The light within me sees and honors the light within you. Namaste. Until next time, may your glow shine even brighter.